Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will read about O sound. As you all know, this is O. तो सबसे पहले आता है F O X. F की साउंड फ, O X ऑक्स. तो क्या बन गया? फॉक्स. So this is fox. Read again. F O X. Fox. This is fox. Now read it. B O X. Box. B O X. Box. This is box. This is box. Box. Fox. Now read this. L L O G. Log. L O G. Log. L की साउंड क्या होती है? ल. और ओ जी ऑग. एल की साउंड ल. ओ जी क्या होता है? ऑग. लॉग. दिस इज अ लॉग. लॉग मतलब क्या होता है? पेड़ की जो लकड़ी होती है उसी का एक पार्ट, एक लकड़ी का लट्ठा. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट वन इज डी ओ जी. डॉग. D O G. Dog. And this is a dog. How cute this is, right? Now next is T O P. Top. T O P. Top. T की साउंड क्या होती है? ट. एंड O P ऑप. तो क्या बनता है? Top. See, this is a top. Next is M O P. Mop. M O P. Mop. M की साउंड होती है म. O P ऑप. क्या बनता है? मॉप. This is a mop. We wipe the floor with the mop. Right? We clean the floor with a mop. Now the last is H O T. Hot. H O T. Hot. H की साउंड होती है ह. O T ऑट. O T ऑट. तो क्या बन गया? ह ऑट हॉट. ह ऑट हॉट. हॉट मतलब होता है गरम. ये देखिए, ये चाय है और ये बहुत क्या है? गरम. इसमें से धुआं निकल रहा है. नेक्स्ट इज P O T. pot. P O T. pot. अब हम पॉट को देखेंगे. दिस इज अ पॉट. पॉट मतलब होता है एक घड़ा. ओके. नाउ हरी अप, वी विल प्ले अ गेम. आर यू रेडी? फाइन. नाउ टेल मी, what is this? What is this? Can anyone tell? Yes, this is a dog. And what is the spelling of dog? Let's read it. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Now, who will tell me what is this? What is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? Yes, this is a box. This is a box. Now read the spelling. Read with me. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. We put any kind of material in a box. Like our geometry box is also a box. We put the stationery in our box. And mummy put the old materials and clothes in a box like this. This is a box. Okay? Now, who will tell me what is this? What is this? This is a log. Log. And what is the spelling of log? L-O-G. Log. L-O-G. Log. And what is log? Log is a part of the trunk of a tree. जो ट्री की लकड़ी होती है उसी का एक पार्ट. जो लकड़ी का लट्ठा होता है उसे हम लॉग कहते हैं. ओके. So congratulations, you all win in that game. Now we will read these spellings. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. This is O-G family. This is O-G family. O-G, og. O-G, og. Dog, log. Dog, log. B-O-X, box. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. F-O-X, fox. This is O-X family. This is O-X family. Ox. Ox. So, box. Fox. T-O-P, top. M-O-P, mop. This is O-P family. This is O-P family. Top, mop, op. This is op family. Okay? And the last one is P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. This is O-T family. This is O-T family. Ot. Ot. So, what will we read? P-ot, pot. H-ot, hot. Pot, hot. Now, what will we do? We will do the matching of same family word. Same family. This is O-P family. O-P. So where is O-P? We will find. This is O-P family. O-P. We will match it. O-P family. M-O-P, mop. T-O-P, top. O-P, and this is also O-P. O-P family. Now, H-O-T, hot. O-T. Where is O-T family? Find it, O-T family. This is O-T family. This one is O-T family. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. This is same family. Now, L-O-G, log. O-G family, we will find O-G, O-G. Where is O-G? This is O-G. C. D-O-G, dog. L-O-G, log. This is O-G family. And the last is O-X, ox. We will find O-X family. Where is O-X family? This is O-X family. So, B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. This is ox family. So, we get 4 families. And what are these? O-T, ot. O-G, ock. O-X, ox. O-P, op. Hot, log, fox, top.